Hey there, everyone. Winter is here, and while the season brings cozy sweaters, hot chocolate, and holiday vibes, it also comes with a few challenges for your oral health. Don't worry, though. Today, we're talking about simple and effective tips to keep your teeth, gums, and lips healthy all winter long. Let's dive in. Did you know winter affects your mouth in surprising ways? Cold air and dry indoor heating can lead to tooth sensitivity, dry mouth, and even gum inflammation. Plus, all those cozy comfort foods we love might be hurting your teeth without you even realizing it. But fear not. We've got solutions for all these chilly challenges. First up, drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated keeps your saliva flowing, which is like your mouth's natural defense team. Saliva protects against cavities and bad breath. Pro tip, carry a reusable water bottle and make sipping a habit throughout the day. Cold weather got your teeth feeling extra sensitive? It's not just you. The cold air can irritate your enamel, especially if it's already worn down. Switch to a toothpaste for sensitive teeth and try brushing with warm water. It works wonders. Does the air feel extra dry? That's your heating system at work. Dry air can cause dry mouth, which isn't just annoying, it's risky for your teeth. Use a humidifier to add moisture to the air, chew sugar-free gum to boost saliva, and don't forget to stay hydrated. Your lips and gums deserve love too. Cold air and wind can leave your lips chapped and your gums irritated. Apply lip balm regularly and brush and floss gently to keep your gums healthy. Oh, and bundle up. Scarves aren't just for style. Winter comfort foods are great, but don't forget to balance them with mouth-friendly options. Leafy greens and cheese are loaded with nutrients to strengthen your gums and teeth. And limit acidic drinks like soda to protect your enamel. Lastly, don't skip your dental checkup. A professional cleaning can remove stubborn plaque, and your dentist can recommend treatments like fluoride to keep your teeth strong this winter. Prevention is key. Winter might bring some oral health challenges, but with these easy tips, you'll keep your smile healthy and bright all season long. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Stay warm and keep smiling.